In this episode of Rite Aid couponing, find out why Robbie buys bottled water? What is this? I think people miss this unbelievable deal. Stock up on your necessary Nature's Truth vitamins. As well as if you're thirsty, make sure to grab the Gatorade deal this week. This is the Rite Aid deals for the week of May 19th to the 25th of 2024. I hope you guys are having a great day. I hope you enjoyed that little teaser preview in the beginning of this video. Let's get started with the Rite Aid deals that are going on. We have an earn $10 in bonus cash back when you buy $40 worth of products. I told you guys this is going to be a hot week. Unfortunately, you guys didn't get a Sunday video. You'll get a Tuesday video. So I hope you guys are paying attention. Let's start with the Unbelievable deal right here on the left side. I think a lot of people missed this, so I think I should highlight it for you guys. Obviously, you guys know these are the hottest deals of the week. Let's talk about the Aleve deal. So it is buy $40 worth of product and get $10 in bonus cash back. This is listed in the ad. All right, I told you guys that I will be doing something with this, something with that promotion. And then combining it with the earn $10 in bonus cash back when you buy $40 worth of product, you're basically getting it for half. So that's pretty great. All right, so for the Aleve deal, it is buy one, get one 50% off. All right. So the first one at my store was $13.49. The second one rang up $6.74, and then the next one rang up $13.49, and then $6.74. All right, so obviously that makes it to over the $40 mark. It was like $40.46. That's pretty great. I used $3 off insert coupons. All right, it came out of a Smart Source a few weeks ago, I believe, and it expires on June 2nd. That's all I remember. All right, so after using those 4 coupons, all right, my total came to $28.46. All right, and I got back $20 in bonus cash, so it's a cost of $8.46. But we have an Ibotta rebate for $3 back when you buy 1, limit of 5 offers per card. Obviously, I'm going to claim for 4 because that's how much I bought. So that will be submitted, and I'll be getting back the $12. So I'll make 4 of these Aleve completely free. All right, plus a money maker, which is awesome. Now, no one had this deal, so I'm really happy to be able to do this deal for you guys. So hopefully you guys can do this deal and blow your bonus cash and cash out some bonus cash in this, great deal of Aleve. I know it's really unbelievable. Get it? So I was really happy about that. So $28.46 after those 4 $3 off coupons, and then I got back 20, and I'm going to get $12 from Ibotta. All right, I did it on all 3 of my accounts, so I was pretty happy about that because I needed to roll bonus cash. Really, I need to roll bonus cash, so I'm glad I was able to do that deal. All right, so now that we covered this deal, let's move on to the Gatorade and Nature's Truth deal. All right, so the Nature's Truth is buy one, get one free, and when you buy $30 worth of product, you get $10 in bonus cash back. All right, and the Gatorade deal is buy 4 and get $5 in bonus cash back. All right, and it's 2 for $5 or 4 for $10 and get back $5 in bonus cash. All right, makes it $5 for 4 bottles. And if you have clipped the $1 off to load to cart coupon, it'll make it even better, and you can submit the other pair to the ShopMeUm app for $1 back. So that's pretty awesome. Now for the Nature's Truth, I use $3 off to insert coupons. All right, so that's how it worked out. Let me talk about the prices for the Nature's Truth. So the vitamin D3 and the garlic were $11.99. So the first one was $11.99, second one rang up free. The iron was $8.49, and the zinc was $8.29. So the iron rang up $8.49, the second one rang up free. All right, then the zinc was $8.29, and the second one rang up free. And then I picked up the vitamin E stick at $2.99. All right, and the second rang up free. All right, and I used the 4 $3 off 2 coupons. So that made this deal pretty awesome. All right, now let's see. All right, and then the Gatorade, I used the $1 to cart coupon for that. And then it rang up $2.50 each, which is what was expected. All right, so after using the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 coupons, my subtotal was $28.76. My tax was 58 cents. My total was $29.34. All right, and I got back $25 in bonus cash, so it is a cost of a few dollars. All right, I got back $10 for the barcode, $10 for the Nature's Truth deal, and $5 back for the Gatorade. All right, so it is a cost of what? $4.34. Not bad. All right, but I will be getting back some money. So unfortunately, Ibotta changed the rebate for the Nature's Truth from $2 to $1.25. I mean, that's I can't really complain. So I'm going to get back $1.25 from Ibotta, and I'm going to get back $1 for the Gatorade on ShopMeUm. So that's pretty awesome. Right, so instead it comes to like $2 and some change for all these items. I think that's pretty good, especially, you're getting some vitamins and the Gatorade, so that's pretty awesome there. rolling the bonus cash. That's all I care for, right? Anyway, the moneymaker from this is going to cover the cost of some of this stuff, so that's great. Moving on to the last two transactions. So the both transactions have the biofreeze. Now, this is not the greatest deal, but I wanted to roll my bonus cash, cast out some bonus cash, so that's the reason I did it. Plus, we have some high value coupons. This one turned out to be better than this one, but I'm just going to explain the deals because, you guys will probably decide what you can do, to replace that. So, for the biofreeze, it was $14.99, all right, each. And we had the $4 coupons that just came out. I used the $4 load to car coupon and the $4 paper coupon just to, utilize the load to car coupons while I can. And then I purchased the Gatorade. You guys already know the deal. 2 for $5, and when you buy 4, you get $5 in bonus cash back. The dollar load to car came off for that Gatorade. All right, so those are the only coupons that I had. And the Starburst swirlers was just to make it over the $40 mark. All right, so my subtotal came to $31.67. My tax was 62 cents. My total was $32.29. All right, and I got back only $15 in bonus cash. I know it is a loss of $17 in bonus cash. But for the $15, I got back $10 for the barcode and then $5 for the Gatorade. And I will be getting back $7 from Ibotta for the biofreeze. So $3.50 for each one. All right, so it's not the greatest, I know, but it's going to cost $10 for these items. All right, so that's the only other issue, but I think it's okay. Or actually, I'll be getting another $1 for the Gatorade at least. So that's pretty awesome there. So not that bad. Yeah, there's almost a cost of $9 for these, but it's okay. I know there's someone that wants the biofreeze, and plus it's a great item, so I'm pretty much okay with that one. Now, let's move on to the amazing bottled water deal. Now, you guys know that I have some reservations to do, bottled water deals. Don't pay for water and stuff like that, but I had to do this deal because it was a pretty good deal. And yeah, thank you to the Telegram group for sharing the Pure Life deal because I wasn't even going to go for the small bottles. I didn't realize that those were included. If I actually read the ad correctly, maybe I would have known that that was actually part of the deal. All right, so these Nestle Pure Life 12-pack bottled water, 8 ounces, it's the mini bottles. They're $3.99, buy one, get one free. So that's great in and itself, all right? So if you purchase 4 of them, you get $6 in bonus cash back. So obviously you guys are listening, I hope. Yeah, buy 4 and get $6 in bonus cash back, and these are on sale for $3.99. So if you buy all 4 of these, that's $7.98. Get back $6 in bonus cash. That is a cost of $1.98 for 4 packages of water, those small 8-ounce bottles. That's like, what, 48 bottles? So that's pretty good, I guess. Little ones, that people can take out over the summer, or if you have entertaining guests or something like that, you can get like a little water. So this is a pretty hot deal, and you can combine it with the bigger packs of water if you want that. Like I know a lot of people really like bottled water deals. So I kind of went out and did the deal, okay? Alright, so that was there. And then I had the biofreeze for $14.99 each, and then I had this Flonase. I thought I bought out all the Flonase, but this store actually had one left. So it was $4.24, and I had a $4 digital coupon that I used for this. So it was only 24 cents, and it was a great little filler item to get with this water deal. Alright, so after those 1, 2, and 3 coupons, my subtotal was $30.20. I had no tax whatsoever on this, so it was $30.20, and I got back $16 in bonus cash. So I got back the $10 for the barcode, and then the $6 for the Pure Life water. Alright, and then I will be getting back $7 from Ibotta for the biofreeze. So yeah, that makes it a cost of what? No, sorry, it was a $23 back, and it was a cost of $7.20 for these. So anyways, it's still a pretty good deal in the end. If if you actually think about the deal a little bit better, then you'll be able to, make it better. You can actually maybe put this stuff over here, like the Pure Life, that Flonase filler, and then the Nature's Truth, and then you might be able to get it for a much better deal. So yeah, obviously you guys can plan out the deal however you want. This is how I did mine, but when you guys listen to me and try to see what not mistakes, but maybe some lookovers that I've done, then you can plan out your better scenarios or whatever. So anyway, I think yeah, that's still a pretty good deal. So I know it's a cost for those biofreeze. Maybe you don't want to include them in your deal, but is okay. I know someone that's gonna buy them off me anyway, so that will cover that cost, and then the money maker over here will cover the cost of some of this other stuff. So it's not that bad. But yeah, I think a lot of other people will come up with some other deals if they want to. But I think the Aleve was the unbelievable deal that I was trying to talk about. So I'm pretty much very happy to do this, deal. All right, so I hope you guys found this video very helpful. If you did, please make sure to leave a like. Comment down below what other deals you're doing. I know that there is a ton of other deals. We had that Sanofi gift card promotion, so that's also part of buy 40 get $10 in bonus cashback as a separate deal from the Aleve, separate deal. All right, and yeah, combining with the gift card and the coupons and bonus cash promotion, I think we'll be able to make that work too. But that's going to be maybe toward the end of the week. Now, I don't know if I'm going to make a video on that because people don't really watch my end of the week videos anyway. I mean, I shouldn't say that. I mean, a few of you do, and that's great. But, I don't know. I don't know if it's too much of a waste of time to create the video. Now, what other deals are there? There's like CoverGirl. There is some other deals that I wanted to do, but I couldn't get to today. But yeah, anyway, the other gift card promotion and stuff, I'll just work on that at the end of the week and whatever. So yeah, don't forget to do that deal. It's a Sanofi deal. It's the one with the Gold Bond, Asper Cream, Icy Hot, that page, if you want to know what I'm talking about, okay? So that's up to you to decide what you want to do. I just want to share these interesting deals that I've done, and yeah, I just want to share with you guys. Oh, I purchased bottled water. What a crazy, crazy day this was. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like this video, comment down below the deals you're doing, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. I really do appreciate it. Join the Telegram group if you have not already. You can join the Telegram group via my Instagram. Alright, link in bio. And I don't know what else I have to say, but have a great day, great week everyone. I'll talk to you in another video. Bye everyone.